Hi, I'm CRS and I'm going to be performing my new single, I'm Kill, and this is SoapBox Live Lounge.
Yeah. Any vibe that I do, I kill. 2-3 on the back of my jersey, know that my sauce on spill. Might see me on country, opera fan, might see me on drill. So versatile, no box around that a man can't take or feel. Flow so cold, need to wrap up warm or you might get ill. Single mum, so my house was torn. Black boy Norma, the one called Phil. Big raincoat had to cut through storms. Held some corn and it made me chill. Cut so low, had to mow my lawn. Cut so low that the snakes revealed.
Can you tell us a little bit about your music?
A combination between rap and melodies. I like to fuse the both, and yeah, like hip-hop beats, trap beats, any kind of beats I can do. Yeah.
And the audience can check out your music pretty much on any streaming platform.
Yeah, any streaming platform.
I've had a listen and I've been a big fan. I really like.
Thank you.
What's the after sun? The one the sunny. Away.
Yeah.
Away. That's a great one.
Thank you.
So if you're looking for like a summary song, that's probably the one you should go for to check out CRS.
Yeah, I had to learn the way they operate, so I could overcome and dominate. Protect the space you try to populate. When our energies don't correlate, had to kick them out the circle. Ugly tricks I'll never tolerate. Sometimes the closest ones will hurt you. So, you better watch your back. You better sleep with one eye open. Don't close them cause it might attack. If you try to snake me in the fan, gonna lick off your head with this baseball bat. Barry Bonds in his prime, every thought in your mind all over the floor and gas. Outfielder, yeah, I'm so detached. Outspoken, never holding back like my roadie when he unloads. And you won't find him on socials, aims for the heart when he double taps. Authentic, don't lie and raps. Authentic, no need to cap. Raw language, only speak the facts. Yeah, gotta keep it frank.
So this unreleased track, how did you come about writing it?
My producer actually sent it to me maybe 2 years ago, and it's one of them beats where I really liked in the beginning, but I think at the time I wasn't ready for it, if that makes sense. And then one day I listened to it again, maybe like a year or two after, and then I just started writing.
And you won't find him on socials, aims for the heart when he double taps. Authentic, don't lie and raps. Authentic, no need to cap. Raw language, only speak the facts. Yeah, gotta keep it frank. Yeah.
If you could work with any artist, producer, dead or alive, who would it be?
Oh, there's too many to count, but the one off the top of my head, I would say probably Lauryn Hill. I'd say Lauryn Hill.
Any vibe that I do, I kill. 2-3 on the back of my jersey, know that my sauce on spill. Might see me on country, opera fan, might see me on drill. So versatile, no box around that a man can't take or feel. Blow so cold, need to wrap up warm or you might get ill. Single mum, so my house was torn. Black boy Norma, the one called Phil. Big raincoat had to cut through storms. Held some corn and it made me chill. Cut so low, had to mow my lawn. Cut so low that the snakes reveal.
Alexander, how do you feel? Heavyweight champion of the world.
I'm very feel.
What's that?
Heavyweight champions.
What's that?